Hello everyone, thanks for joining. Today I have a quick video about a very popular app that many of you likely have on your Android device right now. In fact, over 40 million users have downloaded this. I recently brought to your attention some scams and malicious apps that are taking advantage of this pandemic. Now there's nothing worse when companies or bad actors try and take advantage of you during this troubled time. The number of malicious apps has almost doubled over this past year, and interestingly enough, 9 out of the top 10 malicious apps were all available in the Google Play Store. Many of these apps were leisure apps, providing users something to do while stuck at home. They were video players, video editors, news and magazines, games, etc. One app in particular, according to a company called Upstream, says the most troublesome app is video downloader SnapTube. Evidently, there were some prior warnings regarding this app back in October of 2019, and this app has been installed over 40 million times. So it's likely you have this on your device right now. It's available in many third-party stores, so even though it was just removed from the Google Play Store, you can get it in many stores like Huawei App Gallery. I had it in my File Link store, which I've removed, by the way. But the issue is, once this app is installed on your Android device, SnapTube signs up victims for premium services that they never asked for, and then they download and click ads that the app generates. In fact, last year, 70 million fraudulent transactions were generated by SnapTube. Almost half of them stemmed out of Brazil. So I will leave a link to the article if you want to review it, but in the meantime, I recommend uninstalling this app if you have it, and double check your accounts if you were an active user of this app. I just wanted to bring this info to your attention. I told you this was going to be a quick one. Thanks for joining me today, and let me know in the comments if you had this app on your device. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Stream and Tech Now.